So plowed. There's no off in there. HW Snowstormers, and this is car number 4 out of 5. They only made 5 different types of the Snowstormers. This, at first, at a glance, I thought this was the Glow Wheels version. And this model looks really nice and subtle in this color. Perfect. It is a perfect color in brass, copper, and maroon. Look at that. Well, I think they made 2 or 3 different variations of this one. We'll find out for sure when we upload them both together sometime in the near future.